Welcome to this channel. In this video, we'll learn some properties of division and we'll learn it with the help of examples. So the first property is, if I divide any number with 1, then the answer will be that number itself. So if I divide 156 by 1, then the answer I will get 156 itself. Similarly, if I divide 253 by 1, then the answer will be 253. In the third example also, the answer will be that particular number, that is 92573. Okay, so this is very easy if I am dividing with 1. Another property is, if a number is divided by that same number, then the answer will be 1. So if I divide 652 by 652, then the answer will be 1. If I divide 25 by 25, then the answer will be 1. Another property is, if I divide 0 with any number, then the answer will be 0. So if I divide 0 with any number, it can be as big as you can imagine or you can write. The answer will be 0. But if I change the position, now if I divide any number with 0, which is actually not possible, so we will not get any number, and 23 divided by 0 is, the answer is not possible. So 23 divided by 0, the answer is not possible. So any number, if I divide by 0, or if I divide with 0, then the number is not possible. But if 0 is divided by any number, then the answer will be 0. If I divide any number with 1, then the answer will be that number itself. If I divide any number with the same number, then the answer I will get 1. There is a way to check whether our answer is correct or not after dividing a number with another number. So let us check this concept with the help of an example. Let us divide this. So 4 and 125 is there. So 125 I am dividing by 4. So I will check whether I can divide 4. I can divide this first number 1. I cannot divide 1 by 4. Can I divide 12 by 4? Yes. So it will be 3. 4 into 3 is 12. Then I will bring the 5 down, and 12 minus 12 is 0. So no need to write 0 here. Just bring down the 5. Now let us check how many times 4 is there in 5. So 4 into 1 is 4. And we have 1. So quickly let me write all those 4 important parts. Those four important parts are dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. So the dividend is 125. Divisor is 4. Quotient is 31 and remainder is 1. So division algorithm says if I multiply divisor and quotient and then add it with remainder, then we must get the dividend. So if whatever we have done is correct, then we must get the dividend after multiplying divisor and quotient and then adding with remainder. So in our example, we have divisor as 4 and quotient is 31. So let me multiply this 4 into 31 and then let me add with the remainder, that is 1. So if I multiply 4 and 31, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, so the answer will be 124. So 124 plus 1, that will be 125. And you can see our dividend is also 125. That means both are equal, both sides are equal. That means we have solved the problem correctly. Okay, let us check whether dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder is same for another example. This is another example. So let us divide this. We will start with 3. So 3 cannot be divided by 5 into 5 equal parts. So let me take second digit, that is 32. So now definitely 32 we can divide in 5 parts. So 5 into 6 is 30. And after dividing 30 into 5 equal parts, we have some remainder. So 32 minus 30, I will get 2. Now let me bring the 8 down, which will make it 28. Now 5 into 5, we can write 25. So the answer will be 3. Let us write the 4 important parts here. So here dividend is 3 to 8. Divisor is 5, with which I will divide. Quotient is 65. The remainder is 3. So now let us check the division algorithm. So let us multiply divisor and quotient. So if I multiply division, what is the divisor? Divisor is 5 into quotient is 65 and the remainder is 3. So let us multiply 5 and 65. 5 into 5 is 25, to carry 5 into 6 is 30 and 2 32. So 5 into 65 is 325. And let me add 3 with this, then it will give me 328. And you can see that 328 is nothing but dividend. So I can write, instead of writing 325, we can write dividend. So that means divisor into quotient plus remainder is nothing but our dividend. So every time you can check your problem and you can see whether you have done it correctly or not by applying this divisor into quotient plus remainder. If it is giving dividend, then your answer is correct. Whatever you have done here, the calculation, it is correct. If it is not coming, or if you are not getting the dividend after multiplying divisor into quotient and then adding it with remainder, then you have to check your problem again. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you have understood all those whatever I have shown you here. Please subscribe the channel and do share the video with all the students who is learning division. Thank you very much.